Welcome back friends. Today we are going to unbox Mi Powerbank 2i and the Redmi Note 5 Pro screen protector. Welcome to TechByte. Mi Powerbank 2i. It is a 10,000 mAh powerbank. It is available on mi.com at pricing of $799. Other variant available on mi.com, which is 20,000 mAh capacity. In the box there is a power bank and a micro USB cable for charging. Let's take a look at a power bank. Now let's talk about the build quality. It is a very premium build quality by Xiaomi and the dark color of the power bank looks pretty well. It is a heavy capacity power bank, mostly useful during the travel. Power bank comes with metal body design and very soft curve at both ends. It is slightly heavier because of the capacity of power bank and the metal body design. There is two USB port available on the top of the power bank. It supports fast charging in both USB ports. It also capable for two-way parallel charging. It takes almost 4.5 hours to get fully charged. There are 4 small LED light indicators for monitoring and a button to turn on off power bank. And I charged my Redmi Note 5 Pro almost 2 times with the single charge of the power bank. Now let's talk about the Redmi Note 5 Pro screen protector. There is a 2.5D curved glass on the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and due to the 2.5D curved glass, toughened glasses which are easily available in the market not fixed well on this screen. Screen protector is the best option for any device that comes with the 2.5D glass. In the package of screen protector, there are 3 screen protector given by Xiaomi. There is 1 screen protector for practice and 2 screen protector for actual placing. Screen protector is also having good transparency but not as good as the 2 other screen protector. The Redmi Note 5 Pro screen protector is available on mi.com at a pricing of $129. This is a value for money product. Instruction for placing screen protector are there. It is a very easy 2-step process. It is a plastic screen protector, not a toughened glass, so be careful while placing. It gives a very natural feel after placing. Hope you find this video useful. Do comments, like and share. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you for watching.